pulled barbecue style chicken, bubbling away on our stovetop. The primary ingredients to make the barbecue sauce are always, or the building blocks of a quick cooking barbecue sauce, onions and garlic, and then a combination of equal amounts of brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, a little more vinegar. So I use 2 tablespoons, and a quarter cup. And then you mix in a little or a lot of tomato sauce or ketchup. That's your base. To this, we added chicken stock and some pulled rotisserie chicken meat, or you can make your own homemade roast chicken. It's also great use for leftovers. I've got some nice soft rolls we'll toast up last second. And you can serve this just straight up with some shredded crispy lettuce, shredded white cabbage, and some bread and butter sliced pickles. Or if you'd like to, because the style of this, I added a lot of paprika to it. The style is kind of Hungarian, so I'm going to show you a quick Hungarian cucumber salad that's also delicious as an option up on this sandwich. So you start, anytime you make anything with cucumbers, whether it's a tzatziki sauce or a cucumber salad, you salt the cucumbers and drain them for a while in a strainer. I leave them in, on the edge of the sink just draining, or over the garbage bowl, draining for a good 20 to 30 minutes while I'm working on everything else, so that all of that water weight falls away and doesn't leave you with a soupy salad. Then I press out the excess liquid on the strainer, and just to dry them out even a little bit more, I throw them on a clean kitchen towel. Just let them weep out as much as possible. For the dressing for this salad, which is so easy, I'm gonna take a little bit of creme fraiche for your base, or sour cream. I prefer creme fraiche, a little richer and thicker. Thin it out a touch and brighten it up with a little acidity of white wine vinegar or white balsamic vinegar. Sweeten it up with just a little sprinkle of superfine sugar, which my husband keeps on hand at all times for cocktails. A little bit of salt and pepper, of course, over the shoulder for luck. And then the powerhouse combination of mild onion flavor from chopped chives, finely chopped chives, and lots of nice fresh dill. Yum. I know, right? So delicious. And this is a really refreshing, light little side salad, but it's delicious, again, up on top of this sandwich if you want to take the extra couple of minutes to make it. Throw all that in there. You can't have enough of those fresh herbs. Stir that together. If you bring home a rotisserie chicken, as so many of us do, right, at least one night a week, and you just separate the skin and the bones and pull the meat, you can make this sauce, this pan barbecue style gravy, in just minutes, literally. It's onion and garlic. You let that cook down until it just gets to soften up a bit. Then you're going to add, in this case, because it's kind of a Hungarian style theme that inspired me, so I added the spices, smoky cumin, bright coriander, and lots of sweet paprika, and then the building blocks to any stovetop quick cooking barbecue. We added in 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 4 tablespoons of that cider vinegar, and then 1 to 2 cups of tomato sauce, depending on how tomatoey you like it. Then we added a little bit of chicken stock so it could cook down and intensify that beautiful chicken sauce flavor that we got going on in this barbecue. Jeanette, I need the rolls. Hold, please. Jeanette! I tend to set rolls on fire, so I'm not allowed to touch them. Jeanette toasts all of our company rolls. So these are potato rolls, which I love for this dish. And we're gonna take our Paprika BBQ pulled chicken, pile that on our potato rolls. And again, there's more than enough here to do 8 sandwiches. And then on top of the Paprika BBQ chicken, we're putting our own homemade quick cucumber with dill and chive salad up on top. Oh my God, it's cool and creamy and crunchy. Pop a lid on it, and there you go, kids. Dinner's done. That is delicious.